Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KUMORE DC12V smoke machine. There are features include: Professional Automotive Leak Detector. Discover hidden leaks in minutes with KUMORE's powerful yet portable diagnostic machine. Designed for DIY car enthusiasts and professional mechanics, this detector provides fast, accurate, and reliable results for a wide range of vehicles, all without needing an external air source. All-in-one leak testing. Effortlessly diagnose vacuum leaks, turbo intake leaks, exhaust systems, and more. Whether you drive a car, truck, or motorcycle, the KSD201 Smoke Tester Automotive helps you identify issues before they become expensive problems. Built-in air pump plus no compressor needed. Say goodbye to bulky compressors. KSD201 Smoke Leak Detector machine features an integrated air pump. Just pour in 20 milliliters of baby oil, power it on, and it produces thick smoke in seconds. Perfect for home garages and professional shops. 10 seconds smoke generation. See results almost instantly. Our device releases high-density smoke in just 10 seconds, making it easy to trace even the small leaks with precision. Save time and reduce guesswork during inspections. Lightweight and road-ready. Weighing only 3.2 pounds, the KSD201 car leak machine is compact, easy to store, and highly portable. Bring it anywhere, ideal for roadside emergencies, track days, or everyday garage use. User-friendly operation. No complex setup. With intuitive controls and straightforward functionality, even beginners can operate this smoke tester like a pro right out of the box. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.